Hey there, fellow travelers. If you've been racking up points from your Enterprise car rentals, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to redeem Enterprise points in 2025. This updated guide will help you turn those points into awesome rewards like free rentals, upgrades, or even travel perks. Let's get started. First things first, ensure you have an active Enterprise account. If you don't, hop over to the Enterprise website and sign up. It's straightforward and only takes a minute. Once you're all set, log in using your email and password. Step 1. After logging in, head to the My Rewards, or Points, section, which is usually in your dashboard or profile menu. This is where you'll see your total points balance. Double-check it to make sure you have enough for what you want. Step 2. Browse the redemption options. In 2025, Enterprise has rolled out exciting new rewards, including extended free rental days, merchandise, and partnerships with travel brands. Take your time to explore what's available. Step 3. Select the reward that catches your eye. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to review the details, like how many points it costs and any restrictions. Step 4. Confirm your redemption. You'll need to verify your selection, possibly enter payment info if combining points with cash, and submit. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation. Most redemptions process instantly. A quick pro tip. Points expire, so redeem them before the deadline, which is typically listed in your account. If you hit any snags, like technical issues, reach out to Enterprise customer support. They're known for being responsive. And that's it. You've just mastered redeeming Enterprise points for 2025. Whether you're planning a road trip or just treating yourself, this makes it easy. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. Safe travels, everyone.